Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome. Today we're going to be doing asanas that not just builds a strength in the entire of our back, but also helps improve posture as well as help us move with ease. So we're going to begin this session by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Remember to keep your back straight, chin parallel, the crown of the head in the direction of the ceiling. Hands come to rest on your thighs. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, create length. If you need to, wiggle side to side. Completely exhale, relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, just imagine you're drawing the air all the way along your spine. And as you breathe out, a big exhale. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes with a few blinks. Breathe in, arms come up in line with your shoulders. As you breathe out, simply dropping to your right and back to center to your left. 3 of this to your right and left. Again to your right and left. Arms in line with your shoulder. Now turn and look towards your right. So you're not bringing this ahead, just twist. Back to the other side. Again, one more to your right and left. Arms are still in line with your shoulder. Last one to your right and left. Now drop your right palm towards the mat. Left hand stretch. Left hand towards the mat. Reach and stretch. Nice side body stretch here. Again, the other side. And back. Now, take the same hand, right hand behind your seat, twist. Breathe in up, drop and twist to the other side. Up and twist. You're simply moving here. Don't worry about anything else. Just breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, I want you to lean forward. Stack your forearms. Or your elbows, rest your forehead. See that you're maintaining length in your spine. Breath in. And breathe out. Exhale. Swing your legs to one side. Come on to your knees and palms. Arch your back. Chin just gaze forward. Breathe out. Send your seat back towards your heel. Inhale again. Arch your back. Breathe out. Pull the navel in and seat back. Once more, simply move. Arch. Exhale. Pull and back. Now again, arch your back. Just round your back. Send your knees back. Lower your chest into the mat. This time, placing your palms next to your chest, beneath your shoulder. Breathe in. Send your chest forward. Feeling a nice stretch in the front. Focus on stretching, not compression in the back. Stretch your abdominal muscles. Very important that you have that flexibility also. It's not just, you can't build strength without having enough flexibility. Breathe out. One more breath in. Send your seat back. Stretch. Breathe in. Reach. We're just going to flow through this. This time, hands come to the outside of your mat. Still in line with your chest. Open your palms wide, elbows to either side. Breathe in. See that you're not collapsing your neck. Breathe out. Inhale, press. Feel that your compression now in your lower back. Nice stretch in the front of your belly. One more. Breath in, reach up. Breathe out. Down. Press, come up. Open your knees nice and wide. Big toes to touch. Stretch and sit. Inhale. Completely exhale. Hands can come to rest next to you or next to your legs. It's completely up to you. Bringing your awareness to your breath. Every time you breathe in, you're going to bring your awareness to an area that you feel any tightness, pain in your back, and then completely exhale, just letting go of that tightness or tension in the back. Now from here, stack your palms one over the other. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Breathe in. Reach. Breathe out. Forehead comes to rest again. Press into the earth. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Down. Hands next to your chest. Bring your thighs together. Engage your toes. Breathe in. Bhujangasana. Turn and twist and look towards your right heel. Forward and down. One more breath in. Exhale. Turn and look. Come back forward and down. Breathe in up. And breathe out down. Palms come off the mat. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Baby Cobra. Press the toes. You can engage them or here the top of your toes up to your knees engage. Hold. 3, 2. You're going to feel this. And 1. Press into the mat. Walk your hands back. Sit in Vajrasana. Breathe in, up, breathe out, turn and twist to your right. Great length, exhale, turn and look over your right shoulder. Breathe in, reach up, breathe out, twist to the other side. Completely look over or simply stay looking towards the left side of the room. Inhale. Up, exhale, drop your hands down. Feel like arch your back, round your back. Take your knees off. Just shaking your legs out. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Sometimes having tight hamstrings also can cause some amount of backache. Just moving, stretching the back of your legs. 2 and 1. Drop your knees. We're going to come back to lying on our belly and move to our next asana. Rest here. Forehead comes to rest on the mat or your chin. It's completely up to you. Drop your hands on either side. Rest. Breathe in. Pressing your belly into the mat. Completely exhale. And move to one side. Bring your palms beneath your thighs. So you'll see your pubic bone pressing into your forearms, and that's fine. Now up to you how you want to place either your chin or your forehead. Take your toes and as though you're trying to reach the back wall, try and do that. Creating length, squeeze your glutes, knees straight, raise and hold. 2. And lastly, drop it down. Again, the other leg, pull. As you're trying to reach for the back wall, and then squeeze your glutes and lift and hold. Breathe in completely, breathe out, drop it down. Bring both your legs together, pull those toes away, squeeze and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Release your hands. Come to side lying. Bring your right knee up. Matsya Kridasana. Elbows come to rest. Just releasing the tension in your back. You can choose to do any side or you can do both sides. It's completely up to you. You can always change sides. I'm just going to stay here for 2 more breaths. Usually we always have one side that is more comfortable than the other. You can choose to do that. See that your shoulders are not feeling too stretched. Bringing your awareness to your lower back. Breathe in and breathe out. Press your toes into the mat. Come up. This time, send your seat back, not all the way. Arch. Again. Send your seat back. Just a dynamic flow today here. Arch. See how deep you can go. And slowly come down. Now bend your right knee. Bend your left knee. Inhale. Look forward. Pushing your chest forward. Start feeling a tightness here. See if you can grab your feet. Inhale, look forward. Now push those legs back. Your upper body comes up and then send your feet towards the ceiling. Dhanurasana. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Open your knees wide. Send your seat back. Rest in. You're not extending. Rest. Observing your lower back. Breathe in. And breathe out. When we practice this asanas, it's just a way for us to kind of, with proper alignment, to create a pathway for energy to flow or prana to flow. So bring your knees together, sit in Vajrasana, being completely aware of any tension in your lower back, any stretch in your lower back. Sending all energy to that area. So your breath is like a vehicle on which prana moves, or the life energy moves. So that's how you're bringing awareness to that area as you breathe in. Completely exhale through your mouth, letting out a big sigh. Cross at your ankle. Come to the center of the mat. Drop the soles of your feet. Collapse into your wide Baddha Konasana. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Again, sending your awareness to the back. Slowly roll down. Legs as wide as the mat. Arms like the letter T. Just drop to your right. Back to center, drop to your left. Again, center and right. And left. Come back. Your feet as wide as the mat. Knees come to touch in the center. Just tilt your pelvis. Lower back pressing into the mat. Breathe in. And breathe out. And bring your feet together. Wrap your left over your right. Now bump your hips towards the left side of the mat, arms like the letter T. Drop your legs to your right. Nice twist here, spinal twist, turn, and you're going to feel this. Again, use your breath to relax your lower body. See that your upper back is rested. And one. Release. Come back to center. Open your legs. Shift your hips to center. Inhale. Exhale. This time, take your right leg, cross over the left, arms like the letter T. Drop to your left. Breathe in. See what's happening to this side of the shoulder. Try and bring it back to the mat. Using your breath to let go of the stretch. Relax those muscles that feel pulled and stretched. Back again. Release. Legs wide. Hug your knees. Rock side to side. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. One more breath in. Bringing all your awareness to your lower back. Straighten your legs in front of you. Arms come to rest next to you. Close your eyes. Just observing the rise and fall of your belly. One more deep breath in. Now as we breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. Just stay here in the silence, feeling the vibrations of Om surround you. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If this was valuable to you, please like. And you think it's helpful to somebody you know, please share. Namaste.